Good morning. I just woke up and I decided to have some tea, breakfast to like bring my stomach a little bit down. I want it a little bit down for me, so I'm going to have this tea breakfast today, as usual. So this is what I'm having, like anybody is having their breakfast. Yes, this is what I'm having. I want this banging body back. I want it back. I think there's a little bit of water here. So let me have my tea and then go out, and I put some sugarcane, sugar inside. So it's hot. What I'm having here is green tea with ginger and lemon. It's hot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me go and get my phone holder. Maybe it's sleeping. Baby is sleeping inside the room. So any noise, you will just wake up. I just want to have my tea in peace. I don't need any noise now. I want to have my tea in peace, and then I go out. When I'm ready to go out, I'll wake him up. Not now. Let me put up the window, because I think the weather is good, but I don't know. I think the weather is good. Look at the weather. I think it rained yesterday. The floor is somehow. So let me see if this baby wake up. No. He's still sleeping, so I can have my tea in peace, because